Hello students, let's continue with the chapter circles. Let's discuss 7th question of exercise 10.5. If diagonals of a cyclic quadrilateral are diameters of the circle, true. The vertices of the quadrilateral, prove that it is a rectangle. Figure is not given, you have to draw the figure. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral and their diagonals are the diameters of the circle. So what you have to prove is, you have to prove cyclic quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle. So given I am written here, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral whose diagonals AC and BD. AC and BD are the diameters of the circle passing through ABCD. Now to prove that is ABCD is a rectangle. Now see here, AC is the diameter. Now this is the semicircle. You know, angle in the semicircle is always 90 degree. Now here also, since AC is the diameter, this is the semicircle and this angle also is equal to 90 degree because angle in a semicircle is equal to 90 degree. Now since DB is the diameter, then this is the semicircle and angle in a semicircle is equal to 90 degree. And since DB is the diameter, this is the semicircle and the angle in a semicircle, so this angle is also is equal to 90 degree. That means all four angles of this quadrilateral is equal to 90 degree. Then we can say quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle. So let's write that. So in proof, since AC is the diameter, ADC is equal to 90 degree, angle in a semicircle. Similarly, angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Now, since BD is the diameter, angle DCB is equal to 90 degree, angle in a semicircle, and also this is similarly angle DAB is also is equal to 90 degree. So, in quadrilateral ABCD, angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degree. Each angle of this quadrilateral is equal to 90 degree, then it is a rectangle. Now let's discuss 8th question of exercise 10.5. If the non-parallel sides of a trapezium are equal, prove that it is cyclic. So you are given a trapezium ABCD in which AB parallel to DC, and also it is given that AD, non-parallel side AD and CB are equal. We have to prove trapezium ABCD is cyclic. So first of all, to proving that, we have to draw one parallel line, that is we have to draw CE parallel to AD. This construction we have to do here. Now after that we have to prove this quadrilateral AECD is a parallelogram. How can we prove? See, AE parallel to DC, since AB parallel to DC, it is given, and AD parallel to CE by construction. Since both pairs of opposite sides are parallel, we can say a quadrilateral AECD is a parallelogram. So here I have written here construction, draw CE parallel to AD. So in quadrilateral AECD, AE parallel to DC, since AB parallel to DC, and AD parallel to CE by construction. So AECD is a parallelogram. Now you know that opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. So we can write AD is equal to CE. Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. And also it is given that AD is equal to CB. Non-parallel sides are equal. Now from this we got CE is equal to CB. That is, the things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. So we have proved CE is equal to CB. You know that in triangle CEB, since CE is equal to CB, then we can take angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So let's write that angle 1 is equal to angle 2, angles opposite to equal sides. Since AECD is a parallelogram, then we can take angle 3 is equal to angle 4. You know the properties of parallelogram. Opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. So we can write angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Opposite angles of parallelogram AECD. So you know that angle 4 plus angle 1 is equal to 180. Why? That is, they form linear pair. Now we can replace 4 as 3, angle 3, and angle 1 as angle 2. So we have proved already angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. So in place of angle 4 we will write angle 3, and in place of angle 1 we will write angle 2, that is equal to 180 degree, since angle 4 is equal to angle 3 and angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Now we have proved opposite angles of this trapezium are supplementary. Their sum is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, trapezium ABCD is cyclic, which implies trapezium ABCD is cyclic. Let's discuss 12th question of exercise 10.5. Prove that cyclic parallelogram is a rectangle. So you are given a cyclic parallelogram ABCD. You have to prove this parallelogram is a rectangle. Since ABCD is a parallelogram, for proving this parallelogram a rectangle, you have to prove one angle of this parallelogram is equal to 90 degree. For that, first we will take angle A is equal to angle C. You know that. Angle A is equal to angle C because opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. These are the opposite angles of parallelogram. But since ABCD is cyclic, we can write angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Opposite angles of cyclic parallelogram. In a cyclic parallelogram, you know that opposite angles are supplementary. Their sum will be equal to 180 degree. Let put angle C is equal to angle A because we have proved angle A is equal to angle C. So angle A plus angle A is equal to 180 degree, since angle A is equal to angle C. So 2 angle A is equal to 180 degree. So angle A is equal to 180 degree divided by 2 is equal to 90 degree. So we have proved one angle of parallelogram ABCD is 90 degree, then it is a rectangle. So we have proved that. This is your homework for today. Do exercise 10.5, question number 7, 8 and 12, and that's all for today. Thank you.